Hello everyone, Namaste from Tarot Days 369. Welcome back to the channel. And those who are new here, thank you for watching. Today's reading is different. I have laid 12 cards for each zodiac sign. So we'll look for all the 12 zodiac sign as one card each for everyone. So this is a general timeless reading for the collective. But if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Meanwhile, if you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for further notification. So let's check out what's there for the Aries. So this is a sacred moment for you. You know, stars suggesting that your goals are being blessed and inspiration is flowing again through you. Once you felt like things are out of reach, but slowly the things are coming within your grasp. So trust your efforts that they are being seen and success is forming behind the scenes for you. So there's definitely that hope and healing and the divine alignment working for you. Aries are like that bold driven personalities. So here the universe is guiding you back to your light. This is like a cosmic reset for you. And in career it's like your goals are being blessed and again your efforts are being seen. So just trust and surrender yourself. And now for the Taurus, so it's like you have been working steadily and you have been very patient while you're building your path. And now universe is showing you that progress is on the horizon for you. And this card is also of expansion and also those far away opportunities, maybe international. You're traveling there or getting those job opportunity in a foreign country, or those deals in terms of your business. Okay, so this is like in whether in your career, love, or your personal growth, your past efforts are now beginning to align with your future opportunities. So doors you did not expect are now opening for you, especially with those connections you have built and those long distance plans or those collaborations in your relationship. So it's now growing stronger and more future focused, more stable. So trust your vision and dream bigger now. Okay, and now for the Gemini, it is suggesting you to stay patient. Your efforts are growing behind the scenes. So your mind is like always, overthinking with the full of ideas. But it is telling you to, pause, reflect, and, reevaluate. And, it's like a point to where you have to reassess your decisions. You might be wondering if you are not getting the results yet. But, there is wisdom in waiting for the right time. So trust what you have planted. You have planted those seeds and now they are growing slowly, but you don't give up here. Okay, right before the harvest. So just keep going because your breakthrough is coming soon. Okay, and now for the Cancer, so it's time for you to take action and be decisive. All the Cancers are those emotional laid back people, but this is time for urgency and fearless actions and more clarity. So you're being called to speak your truth and move swiftly towards your goals. Okay, don't second guess your knowing. So in career, this is like a burst of momentum. Maybe a decision needs to be made fast, so you are receiving that communication that requires immediate focus, or it could be in terms of relationships. Okay, so speak up, take action, and be bold this time. Okay, show your courage. Okay, Cancers. And now for the Leos, so this is a very powerful message. Stand in your truth, and you have to trust that karma is unfolding in your favor. So this is time for accountability, and that clarity. The rewards are coming for you if you have been waiting for getting that justice, whether in the relationship or your work situation, or I think in any legal matter. So truth is about to be revealed. So decisions are being made, and possibly you're getting the promotion, or the outcomes are tied to your reputation. Okay, with that justice. So stay honest in your place and stay confident. You will be seen in good light very soon. Also in love, it can bring conversation about commitments. So it's like lead from both your heart and your truth. So just you are living in alignment with your soul's truth. This is a confirmation for that. A very good card from Major Arcana. So speak honestly, act with integrity here, and let karma handle the rest for you. Okay. And now for the Virgos. So again, we have got this Hierophant from the Major Arcana, and it is a card of spiritual mentorship and higher learning, and being in alignment with your core values. So in your career, maybe you're seeking or stepping into a role of leadership, or teaching something, maybe forming for you a promotion or an invitation, maybe to join a respected institution. Okay, the dedication is being recognized here, so you have that wisdom now, so you can teach others. And in your love, it speaks of that commitment, or maybe a spiritual union coming for you. It could also indicate guidance from a mentor, or a supporter, a good well wisher of yours, to seek that relationship advice. And it's like a slow and steady win for you, Virgos, here. So avoid impulsive risks, and take expert advice if needed. you know and also in your money, so be structured in your investments. Okay, so this is your call to deepen your practices and share your light with everyone. And now we have the strength for Libra. So this is reminding you of your inner power, and that inner strength and patience, and that emotional courage, that quiet resilience, all that you have in you. Okay, so it's in your heart, your ability to stay centered even when the world is feeling unbalanced. So this is for you to, you might not have all the answers yet, maybe financially, or in your career, or in your love, but you have that endurance. Okay, so with that you will come out stronger. You don't know that you are capable of more than that. So remain composed. Okay, this is suggesting you're being tested. So this is your time to stay, grounded, and let your dedication and in that diplomacy speak for you. Okay, let go of the stress and that ego. You have infinite wisdom as shown here. Okay, so just tame those things.